Form and function are not enemies. When beauty and utility align, beauty deepens, utility expands, excellence is achieved. Introducing the new SLX series from Sea Ray. Form and function, united to deliver a boating experience unlike any other. Boats defined not just by one or two innovations, but by an unprecedented collection of breakthrough designs and ideas. Performance, convenience, innovation, and ease combined seamlessly and intentionally. This is orchestrated excellence. This is the SLX experience.